In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode in WordPress, whether you're making critical updates or working on a new design for your website. Putting your site into maintenance mode is a great way to ensure that visitors are aware that you're making improvements while preventing them from seeing a partially constructed or broken site. To get started, you'll first need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand sidebar. Hover over it and you'll see an option called Add New. Go ahead and click on that. This is your first step towards enabling maintenance mode. Now, in the search bar on the Add Plugins page, type in Maintenance Mode. You'll see several plugin options appear, but I recommend looking for one of the popular plugins like SeedProd, WP Maintenance Mode, or Light Start. These are well regarded in the WordPress community, and they should serve your needs well. Once you've found a plugin that suits you, check its ratings and the number of active installations. This will give you a sense of how reliable it is based on other users' experiences. When you're happy with your choice, click on the Install Now button. Give it a moment to process, and once it's done, the option to activate the plugin will appear. Click on Activate, and you're ready for the next step. Now that the plugin is activated, you'll notice a new menu item or a section specifically for that plugin in your WordPress dashboard. It might be under Settings or in the General menu, but it will carry the name or the function of the plugin. Click on it to head over to its Settings page. This is where you can customize the maintenance page to fit your brand and communicate your message clearly to your visitors. Take some time to explore the settings available. Most good maintenance mode plugins will allow you to change the text displayed on the page, adjust colors, and add any images or logos you'd like. Personalizing your message can help keep your audience informed and engaged, even when your site is temporarily unavailable. Further options might include advanced settings like excluding certain pages from maintenance mode or allowing logged-in users to bypass the maintenance page. Go through these settings carefully, as they can help fine-tune how your site behaves during this period. Remember, your website's visitors will appreciate clear communication about when your site will be accessible again, so make sure to provide an estimated time of completion if you can. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully put your WordPress site into maintenance mode. Your visitors will now see a friendly message letting them know that changes are underway, and you'll have the freedom to work behind the scenes without any interruptions.